How to reset Chigo air conditioner. Resetting your Chigo air conditioner can help clear minor faults, error codes, and restore the units to normal operation. Step 1. Turn off the AC. Press the power button on the remote to turn off the air conditioner. Make sure the unit is completely off. Step 2. Disconnect power. Unplug the air conditioner from the power outlet or switch off the circuit breaker. Step 3. Wait 3 to 5 minutes. This allows the unit to fulfill reset. Step 4. Restore power. Plug the air conditioner back in or switch on the circuit breaker. Step 5. Turn on the AC. Press the power button to turn on the air conditioner. Step 6. Reset complete. The air conditioner has been reset and it is ready to use. The next step is what does it reset? Clear mirror error codes, reset the control boards, restore default setting, help with unresponsive unit or display issue. Important notes: this reset will not delete your timer or schedule setting in some models. If the problem continues, note the error codes, if any, and refer to the user manual. Always ensure the power is off before disconnecting. If you still have an issue, check if the power supply is stable, clean the air filter, a dirty filter can cause error, make sure the remote has working batteries. If the issue persists, contact Zero Customer Service support or a qualified technician. Here is the quick tips. If your Chiro AC shows an error code, again, after reset, refer to the user manual for code meaning and solution. If you need more help, here is the link. Tab below and contact your local Chiro service center. Regular maintenance. Clear filter regularly and service your AC to keep in running efficiently.